Well, from the very beginning, President Obama and Speaker Pelosi were determined to pass a bill that was a government takeover of our healthcare system. And they stopped at nothing. I remember a week before the bill passed, and they'd come up with the slaughter rule, which they were suggesting that they were going to deem the bill as passed by the House without even an up or down vote. And it was the outrage of people all across this country putting pressure on the House that they finally had to abandon that idea. But they were on a course to pass that bill, and they were not listening to the American people. Absolutely not. This bill is going to add billions of dollars to the deficit, and just look at the fact that, as in their calculation, they counted 10 years worth of taxes and revenue related to the implementation of this bill, and only 6 years worth of spending. And there are provisions in that bill that even today they are suggesting will not be able to be enforced. Like the bill assumes that Medicare growth is going to be cut from 4% to 2%. You know, it is not. They were not honest in the numbers. The American people saw through it, and that's part of the reason there was such an outrage. Yes, I give the credit to the Tea Party movement for delaying the bill as long as we were able to do so. And I think back, their original goal was to get that bill passed the summer of 2009, before the August recess, and the Tea Party started that spring, and then everyone remembers the town halls that took place that August. Thousands of people all across this country, Americans, standing up and saying, you know what, this is not, we do not support this health care bill. We do not support this approach. And I really give credit to the people that are active within the Tea Party movement, because they're the ones that are organizing. They're the real patriots, actually, in this whole process. And they're getting involved, and they're making a difference. I do believe that the individual mandate is unconstitutional, and I'm proud of the fact that Washington State's Attorney General Rob McKenna is one of the 20 that has joined in this lawsuit. I've signed an amicus brief that the Center for Law and Justice is going to be filing shortly, again stating my position that I believe that this is unconstitutional, and I'm hopeful that the courts will see it that way also. Oh, it has been overwhelmingly in opposition. People are very passionate. They still can't believe that this bill was passed. They're very concerned as to what it means for America, for access to health care, for affordability of health care. They don't believe that this is an approach that is going to result in lowering costs or improving health care in this country. And they would like to see it. They would like to see it repealed and replaced with a much better proposal.